lagging behind with Art here from here on in, Dave?
No, Randy, well, there's 3 lanes wide here, so.
And we'll give you both lanes through here, Randy.
Yeah. But you actually got to go around the island, or you got to cut out and back in sharp? Yeah, I got to cut it sharp and get back into the proper way there.
I'll go up and help him. Oh, you got him, Art? Hold tight, Randy. I'll get him here.
Art, we're going to be okay on this.
Well, you're coming right up around the island, Randy?
Yeah, I'm going to try and get into the proper lane there.
I'll fall him back. We can switch up again around the curve if we have to. These cars are just going to push us out. You're looking good, Randy. Keep her going. And before I'll come up and give Dave a hand here, I'm sliding up here now, Randy. Last one around the corner from this side of you, Dave, is the black Acura. Good, Randy. Okay, Randy, I got one. After the black Mercedes, I got the second.
Okay, we'll try to get the express up here, dude. Alrighty.
After the box truck, I got the next.
Good one.